Hoj's conveyor engineering team allows us to really take control of the design, from concept to implementation to programming, to commissioning, to handing over to the customer, so that it's really just a single solution to be able to get your warehouse up and running.
What I do with the process is I get to go in, I get to design and draw all the schematics up. So I'll do all of the design work. Being part of the Hoj automation team, we get to put together a schematic package, which will show all of the schematics, which makes it easier for your maintenance workers, makes it easier for anyone if they see something that's happening, going wrong. It makes it easy for them to problem solve and to go through. We also make it easy for you guys to contact us. We have on-site support.
And then afterwards, we take care of any of the service or maintenance needs that you're going to need as you're using your equipment, which really provides such a comprehensive experience so that you're not having to manage multiple businesses that are coming in to help your warehouse function. You can call one number and you can get support for all of it.